Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here really quickly to give you a quick overview as to the doTERRA Wellness Essentials kits. They are slightly different for Canada and the US, so that's kind of why I'm doing a video recording to go over what the differences are and what the benefits are, because these are amazing ways for you to not only save on essential oils that you might be using for calming, for support, for immunity support, or for soothing and pain relief. So that's kind of where there are different wellness kits that doTERRA has put together for this. So let's start with the Canadian side. So if you guys log into your doTERRA Canada website, or if you are looking to purchase these or get set up with these, I will put a link where you can get started, and then once you get your account created, we can show you how to actually get registered and enrolled for these kits. So I will also put direct links for each of these kits if you're interested in getting started with one of them. So what you have here is your Wellness Essentials kit. You have three different ones for Canada, where you have your Support Collection, Calm Collection, and Soothe Collection. So I'm not going to go into detail too much as to what each one is containing exactly. You guys can take a look at that through the pictures as well below. But basically, the support one is for immunity support, environmental support, as well as overall wellness and creating that space and environment that you need to support your body. The Calm Collection is for your mind and mood. So, similar to what you would see maybe in the US, it would be mind and mood management. For Canada, it's called the Calm Collection. Really great to basically have for on the go as well as to be diffusing. Then you have your Soothe Collection, which is for pain management and pain support and kind of supporting any aches, pains, arthritis that you might have. It's really good for that. So, back going to continue scrolling down is getting one of those kits allows you to basically bundle and save. It is a huge savings that you're getting. In addition to that, you're able to add on quite a few different products to get even further discounts. So, take for example your On Guard foaming hand wash. These are products that I use on a regular basis where I would be usually paying like the wholesale price of 26.25, where if I'm bundling it with a wellness essential program, you are saving an additional $5 and getting it for Canadian $21. Again, diffusers, these are all ones, if you haven't gotten a diffuser in your home or you're looking to add a diffuser in an extra bedroom or in the living room or kitchen, great way to kind of add one in and get that benefit. Easy Air with the change in weather. This is a great one, as well as for any new enrollments that are coming in from Canada or the US. If you're bundling a wellness kit or if your order is over 100 product volume, you will get an Easy Air Touch for free. So message me before you put in your order. I will help you get set up with that and give you a promo code to do that. A few of the other oils that are also available with the wellness kits, again, amazing oils to be having: Aroma Touch, Serenity, the Adaptive, and then the Essential Aromatics Touch Kit. So that's kind of where, as you scroll down, it'll give you a further overview on how it works, how to save, and how to continue this process for the next couple months. Again, I apologize. There's a lot of thumping going on in the background, so I think there's some construction going on. So I'll try and omit some of the background noise, but I hope you guys are still able to get the point across. So then we also have our pilot diffuser. This is a diffuser I love. It's portable, on the go. It's charged by USB. So especially if you're traveling anywhere, going somewhere for an overnight stay, it's perfect to just kind of toss in. It comes with a beautiful carry case, and it is perfect for on the go and easy recharge. So overall, kind of summing it up, adding in that wellness essentials kit gives you those savings of 41.67 to get that going. So definitely go ahead and get started with that. I will be now moving over to the US side. So if we head over to the US shop, I'll kind of give you an overview as to what the differences are. So with Canada, when you select the wellness kit, you will get 1 month of each. So you would start with the immunity. Then you would kind of move to the mind and mood. Then you would move over to the relief kit. Whereas for the US, they have it set up slightly differently, where they'll have 3 months of immunity, 3 months of mind and mood, and 3 months of relief. So that's kind of where it's slightly different, where you'll get set up with that. So, for example, your mind and mood wellness program. So, this is where you'll start with 1 month, then you'll move on and you'll be able to kind of choose and pick different months. So, again, the kit contents are fairly similar to the Canadian side, but you'll kind of see here again your wellness one for immunity wellness, amazing products that are in there. You have your wild orange, purify, your on guard hand wash, on guard hand sanitizer, some wipes, as well as some toothpaste. Then you have your relief kit, which is all about the deep blue and aroma touch. So that's kind of where it comes with cute little carry cases. They're easy to go on the go, toss them in your backpack, in your purse, and you're set to kind of carry them as you travel or as you go to work again. Then you have the diffuser. So here for the US side, they have the La Luz, which is an incredible new diffuser. Again, this one is a portable diffuser where it has a charging station, but it allows you to easily carry the diffuser from room to room without having to worry about wires and cables. And especially with kids and pets in the home, this is where it's so easy to just kind of take a diffuser, move it to another room, and then you can return it back to its charging station at night. So that's kind of a different option for you guys. So I hope you guys have liked this video. Take a look through it. If you guys have any questions, again, just message me. I will put my contact information below so that way you can send me a instant message to get connected as to how you can get started with this and how you can add it to your cart. So for existing customers, this is something that you would add into your loyalty rewards program. And for new customers, message me. Let's get you set up. Let's get you part of the free products as well that are going to be accessible to you, and we'll get you started. So thanks for listening.